leaving behind a community maybe after the storm, carrying what you've got with you. Something here might change out like at the hands of destiny so that you can do this. Aquarius with the star on the bottom of the deck. It's about hope and healing and being guided after the storm. Okay, where are you headed with Door to Romance? Where are you headed? I see you on this journey. And that 10 of Wands is a journey. That's the end of a journey. No way, Scorpio. Death and rebirth. You're headed to transformation. A whole new you. Okay. And that does seem to be what you want, but we'll see what this romance is about for you.